Every day, thousands of commercial vessels navigate the world's oceans, transporting the goods that support global trade. Yet, despite modern technology, advanced navigation systems, and strict regulations, ship collisions continue to occur across international waters. A single ship collision can have far-reaching consequences. Beyond damage to vessels and cargo, these incidents may result in injuries, environmental pollution, operational disruptions, and significant financial losses for ship owners and operators. Analysis of maritime accident reports from around the world reveals clear patterns. By understanding these patterns, investigators and industry professionals can better identify the factors that most commonly contribute to ship collisions. Human error remains the leading cause of ship collisions, accounting for approximately 75% of reported incidents. This highlights the critical role of decision-making, awareness, communication, and bridge management in maritime safety. Mechanical failures also contribute to collision incidents. Problems involving steering systems, propulsion equipment, navigation instruments, or critical onboard machinery can reduce a vessel's ability to maneuver safely when risks arise. Adverse weather conditions such as strong winds, heavy rain, rough seas, and restricted visibility can significantly increase navigational challenges, making it more difficult for crews to detect hazards and maintain safe vessel separation. Cargo-related issues can also contribute to collision risks. Improper cargo securing, shifting loads, or stability problems may affect a vessel's maneuverability, making it more difficult for crews to maintain safe navigation in challenging conditions. Not all collisions result from a single cause. Operational pressures, congested ports, infrastructure limitations, and unexpected circumstances often combine to create situations where navigational risks increase significantly. Between 2019 and 2023, nearly 2,000 ship collision incidents were reported worldwide. These figures demonstrate that despite advances in technology, collision prevention remains one of the industry's most important safety challenges. More than 75% of reported collisions were linked to human factors. This highlights how critical human performance remains, even in an era of increasingly sophisticated navigation and vessel monitoring systems. Behind every statistic are real people. Ship collisions continue to result in injuries and fatalities, affecting seafarers, passengers, rescue personnel, and communities that depend on safe maritime transportation. The financial consequences of a major collision can be enormous. Costs may include vessel repairs, cargo damage, environmental cleanup, legal claims, insurance settlements, and lengthy operational disruptions. Collision risks are not evenly distributed across the world's waterways. Certain environments consistently experience higher accident rates due to traffic density, restricted navigation space, and operational complexity. Coastal waters account for the largest share of collision incidents. Busy ports, harbor approaches, anchorage areas, and heavily trafficked coastal routes often place vessels in close proximity, increasing the likelihood of navigational errors and close-quarters situations. Although open oceans offer more space to maneuver, collisions still occur. In many cases, navigation errors, inadequate lookout practices, or incorrect assessments of vessel movements are contributing factors. Traffic separation schemes are designed to organize vessel movements and reduce collision risks. However, failure to comply with established traffic lanes can quickly create dangerous situations for all vessels involved. Restricted waterways such as rivers and canals present unique navigational challenges. Limited maneuvering space, strong currents, narrow passages, and frequent vessel interactions often leave little margin for operational mistakes or delayed responses. To better understand collision risks, it is essential to examine the specific human factors that contribute to maritime accidents and influence decision-making on the bridge. Poor lookout remains the most common human factor behind ship collisions worldwide. When bridge teams fail to maintain proper situational awareness, developing risks may go unnoticed until it becomes difficult to respond safely. Navigation errors often begin with seemingly minor mistakes. An incorrect course alteration, inaccurate position assessment, or delayed maneuvering decision can gradually escalate into a situation where collision risks increase significantly and available response options become limited.
Confirming course adjustment.
Adjustment confirmed.
Stand by. Clear on the starboard side. We are safe to proceed.
With traffic increasing, the captain makes a late course correction, threading the needle between the tanker and the fishing trawler.
The international regulations for preventing collisions at sea, known as COLREGs, provide clear guidance for vessel interactions. Failure to comply with these rules remains a significant contributor to maritime accidents.
20.
Hard right rudder. Steady on 090. Ahead full.
Effective communication is critical for safe navigation. Misunderstandings between bridge teams, pilots, tug operators, or nearby vessels can create confusion and increase collision risks. Fatigue continues to be a major concern throughout the shipping industry. Long working hours and inadequate rest can reduce alertness, impair judgment, and increase the likelihood of operational errors. Safe navigation depends on effective teamwork. Poor coordination, unclear responsibilities, and ineffective use of available resources can significantly increase operational risks during complex navigation situations. Certain vessel categories appear more frequently in collision statistics. This often reflects their operating patterns, traffic exposure, and the environments in which they commonly operate. Bulk carriers and container ships account for a substantial portion of reported collision incidents. Their large numbers and extensive involvement in global trade contribute to their presence in accident statistics. Tankers and general cargo vessels also feature prominently in collision records. These ships often operate in congested waterways, near ports, and within coastal traffic systems where maintaining situational awareness and effective communication is particularly important. Maintaining a proper lookout remains one of the simplest and most effective methods of preventing collisions. Early detection of potential hazards provides valuable time to assess risks and take corrective action. Modern navigation equipment, effective communication, strong bridge resource management, and strict compliance with established procedures all play critical roles in improving maritime safety. More than 75% of ship collisions are considered preventable. Through vigilance, professionalism, continuous training, and adherence to navigation rules, the maritime industry can continue moving towards safer seas.
Maintain speed. Roger that. 200, speed maintained.
Every collision investigation provides lessons that can help prevent future accidents. By understanding the causes of maritime collisions and applying those lessons consistently, seafarers around the world can contribute to a safer and more resilient shipping industry.